What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys had a fantastic Halloween, and I hope all you kids got a lot of candy. I hope you guys enjoyed my little Halloween video that I put out. I know it's out of upload schedule, but I wanted to make sure I put it out there and got it out because I thought it would be kind of weird to post it on a Thursday after Halloween. So that was my little Halloween present to you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if this video sounds a little different to you guys, my girl got me my helmet. Woo! She sent back the one that was too small, and they got me the right size, and it fits perfect, and my GoPro stuff and everything fits on it good. I want to say hello to all my new subscribers. I haven't said it yet, but welcome to the channel, and thank you for your support. I really appreciate all you guys' help. And just want to give you guys a heads up. Next week's video is going to be my very first top 5. So I'm excited about that. I was going to do it for this video, but I kind of came up with the idea last night, so I didn't have time to actually give you guys more information on the top 5 I'm going to do. And then I do have a Let's Eat planned coming up. I just have to find a time for when me and all the guys can go ride together, because we're all busy. So it's kind of hard to get together and make a video. But I didn't forget about that series, guys. Don't worry, it's coming. You know what's crazy to me, guys? So I started TikTok, right, to promote the channel, and I've been doing TikTok for probably 2 weeks. Yeah, about 2 weeks, and I have almost the same amount of followers on TikTok that I have subscribers on YouTube. And it just goes to show, growing on TikTok's a lot faster. If you guys are interested in following my TikTok, the link is in the description. But here's my page right here for you guys. If you guys want to follow me there, that would be cool too. Look, guys, it's the turn I hate the most. I don't understand how anyone does this turn so smoothly. Oh, well, I kind of did better that time. I was going to ride down the one today too, but I was like, that's up right there by the ocean, and it's going to be hella cold. I gotta get warmer riding gear, more thermals, and maybe like thermals that go underneath my pants or some shit. Cause your boy be freezing, yo. The reason why I'm doing a lot of these turns and swervy roads now is because once I lower Gwen and make her into like a drag bike, she's gonna be too low for this stuff. And I can always leave her at normal height and still make her a fast bike. The problem with that is when I romp on the gas, she's gonna want a wheelie. Or I can just buy another Gixxter. I probably will. I kind of got used to riding the sport bikes, so I don't know if I'm going to get a Harley anytime soon. I most likely will at some point. Oh, is that a bug? Get off. Ah, there's a bug in my helmet! Get out of here! Okay, it's gone. I'm good. False alarm, we're good. Good thing it wasn't a spider. I would have crashed this bike. I don't play with no spiders, yo. Oh my god. Cows! Oh my god, horses! Alright guys, we're gonna take a break up here. And I'm gonna change my GoPro battery. Welcome back. Let's go hit the road. So I kind of stopped and checked and looked at my GoPro footage, and I'm pretty sure this video is going to be kind of loud. A lot of wind noise, so I got to figure out how to block this out right here. I kind of figured this video was going to be kind of loud after I could feel all the wind that hits me. That's a cool stop, dick. I don't think he even looked. Alright guys, we're gonna stop up here like always and take our little break. Warm up a little bit before we hit the freeway and go home. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit after I'm done with my break.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, we're done with our break. Now we're gonna go hit this freeway and freeze our ass off the whole way home. So that should be fun. Oh, that was a no-no. Oh, that bump messed me up. I didn't see it until that truck bounced. I'm really gonna get stuck here in traffic. Your traffic. I think it was Alex. Alex is the only person I know that has a red Dyna. I guess we're gonna have to play catch the Alex. No, it's not Alex. Alex doesn't wear boots. guys for tuning in to another video. I hope you guys have a safe week, and I will see you guys all on Thursday. Woo! All right. Peace.
To breathe, I need a moment to vent this. Feel I'm always stressing. This is therapy. You don't know what this means to me. Gotta pray, this is my destiny. Through all the pain and tears, you seem to be always there for me. This is therapy. You don't know what this means to me. Gotta pray, this is my destiny. Through all the pain and tears, you seem to be always there for me.